Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must be seeing this type of notification in your WhatsApp. So what is the meaning of that? It's like you can change the theme of your chat in WhatsApp. So I will show you in my mobile screen for both Android and iOS how to do that. Open your WhatsApp and select the chat for which you want to change the theme. So here I'm selecting this high tech talk chat, and here you will see a three dot on the top right. Just click on this, you will see chat theme. Select this, and from the list you can select any option, whatever you are liking it here. Then click on set theme. So we will go back and we will see it is changed. For iOS Apple user, open a chat. Here you will see the chat theme. Click on this and you can select whatever you want. I am selecting this and I will click on set. So if I will go back, you can see it is changed now.